Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Brazil. If you are coming for the first time, I do content around food, making food with the simplest ingredients in your kitchen. So it's been so long since I did this, since I posted a video, since I recorded a video, since I did a video. So I'm back, guys. It's Christmas season and we are all in the kitchen. Everybody's in the kitchen. We are all cooking. Everybody's helping out. It doesn't matter who, but everybody is helping out and is in the kitchen. So I'm also back to my kitchen, to our kitchen, to whatever kitchen I am in. I am back and with bangers, with videos. Every now and then I'll be posting. I'll try to be consistent. So let's get to this wonderful video today. As you can see on your screens already, it's already running. I'm just here to rant as I show you this simple recipe of making our chips masala. Very simple and so straightforward, like do and done. It's just your potatoes, peel them, shape them to your desired size or rather shape. Not actually shape, they have to be like chips or rather fries shaped, and then deep fry. Use the ingredients in your kitchen. That salt you have in your kitchen, that's what you're gonna use. That onion, that's what you're gonna use. That tomato, that's exactly what you're gonna use for this recipe. That pepper in your kitchen, that's what you're gonna use. That Royco cube, that what else do we have in our kitchen? That black pepper that has stayed in your kitchen without any use, that's what I'm gonna use for today. That masala, that garam masala, that just the simple ingredients in your kitchen, that's what we use in this channel, and that's what we're gonna use in this video. As you can already see on your screens, every single thing here is as simple as it can get, literally straight. You don't need to go to your nearest market or nearest grocery store to get it. You have it already. We just gotta look for our potatoes. If you have them, even the better, guys. So we pre-boil our oil, then we'll go in with our onions that we've already finely chopped into smaller, tiniest pieces as you can get, because remember, you're making chips masala. You don't want to be eating and finding a whole stripe big onion in the middle of you enjoying your food. So you need to chop them as finely as possible. If you have to blend, do it. If you can chop, just make sure they're as finely as you can get. Then you go in with your what's the white thing? The white onion. Not the white onion, the garlic. Yeah, how comes I forgot about the garlic? Garlic makes the food taste different, better. Like, it's the secret ingredient in almost all our meals, all the stews, all everything. Garlic is a game changer, guys. Ukitaka kupika for the food to really come out really well, go in with the garlic. I mean, never miss out on garlic. It changes the trajectory of food. Like this one, it changes. It smells heavenly, especially when it's cooking. Yeah, so our onions and garlic ready, brown, and then go in with your tomato, finely chopped. with your salt, and then with your, I told you guys, simple ingredients in your kitchen, like cube. Yeah, Royco cube. Probably the only gift I have opened, the only package I have opened this year is the cube. So I hope you're not like me. Either way, that's it. Go in with your cube, and then that is paprika. Paprika also, it adds the color, and then that's cayenne. Basically pili kafiri. Kombali. I mean, what's chips masala without kafili? So you can get it in either. Black pepper is also like, it's pili. You can get it, the cayenne, you can chili flakes, just whatever it is that you have that has pili. You go with it. It's gonna work the magic. So, and then get your paste. You need the color for that chips. You need the color for that fries to color. It needs to color very, very well. It really needs to color. So you can go in with your paste. You can even add your maybe tomato sauce if you have any. If you don't have paste, you can substitute with a tomato paste. Then let it simmer, guys. You have to really bond those two nyanyas so that it can be well blended. You don't want to be eating your fries and then getting the like whole tomato inside it. So you need it really blended very well. And then of course lazima tumalize everything inside the package. We are not wasting anything. So weka maji, shake, make sure everything is out of that packet of tomato paste. Manze, economy is hard. It's hitting below the belt. So we gotta find ways to maximize on everything. Manze, wezi acha iende hivo. Then next we add on to our pepper, green pepper. If you have the red, the yellow, you can go in with your peppers, but I'm just okay with the green one. I don't like the peppers. I really don't fancy them as much. The green one is just enough for me. It adds the flavor, and yeah, it makes and it looks good. The yellow and the red are just ambiguous. Then your pilau masala, you can use garam masala. I don't know that there is shipo masala, like the spice, but I just went with the pilau masala just a little bit, compali, to make the masala thing come out really well. Then boom, with my fries. So remember, I had already fried these fries, like deep fried them kabisa in oil, like you'd do to the normal fries. Then I made this paste. Then boom, our fries zimeingia sasa. Look at that. It's taking shape vizuri. Hey, look at that. Would you not eat? You know, you can then look at that. Garnish with your dania, coriander, as the Englishmen call it, coriander. Fanya garnishing apple, then oh my god, it tastes heavenly. It smells heavenly. Guys, at this point, if you have not subscribed, this is the time. Hit that subscription, like, share. See you in the next one. Bye.
You can't teach anyone how to cook. All you can do is show them. It's up to them whether they want to teach themselves. As I've always said in my life, cooking is not a recipe, it's a philosophy. Unless it's pastry, and then it's chemistry. People who cook well, they're the ones